Well, hello everybody. Jeff Cowan here from Jeff Cowan's Pro Talk, the person that's trained more successful service advisors than anybody else on the planet. That's a fact. But here's another fact. Did you know that over 35 years ago when I started Jeff Cowan's Pro Talk, over 35 years ago back then, nobody had an organized training program for advisors, no selling programs, no customer handling programs. No one was showing them how to get perfect survey scores, the highest effective labor rate. Nobody was showing them how to get high customer retention and more sales than they ever thought possible. And nobody was showing your service advisors and service teams how to eliminate heat cases forever. I literally started this niche over 35 years ago. I'm also the only one that throughout that time who has continually updated his content and his training methods so that you can maximize the opportunities you have on your service drive, assuming you follow what we teach. If you want to see the original, if you want to know why we have been so successful and continue to be as successful as we are, it's simple. Just dial 1-800-248-2931, 1-800-248-2931, and anybody that picks up that phone would be more than happy to share with you why we've been so successful and continue to be so successful. You can also go to my website, automotiveservicetraining.com, automotiveservicetraining.com, and get all the information you want right there. So between now and the time you reach out to us and call us, you should be dialing us right now, by the way. This is Jeff Cowan from Jeff Cowan's Pro Talk, the person that's trained more successful service advisors than anybody else. Been doing it for over 35 years. I'm the original. If you want to see why we're the best, call us. I'll talk to you soon.